All right. So our basic pattern is going to be 4 cones. The 2 center cones are the center of 2 circles. It's going to be a basic figure 8. So you're going to go through the cones and to the right to start your figure 8. You want to keep the horse's nose and eye just slightly tipped in, but it's going to be a tip and release. If the horse starts to walk too close to the inside, then you will use your inside leg. So use your inside leg a little bit because she's trying to get a little close. There you go. And try to maintain as round of a circle as possible. I know this sounds like it should be easy, but it's a lot harder than you think. All right, now you start looking at the cones. Once you have your target, look beyond the target at the fence so you're nice and straight. There you go. Once you're straight, now you can ask for the backup. And the backup is going to be a pull to the hips, squeeze your glutes, and release. There you go. One more step, please. Good. And back through and circle to the left now. So this time you're going to keep the left eye of the horse. So you see the left eye and the left nostril. Just kind of keep her nose tipped into the center of the circle. There you go. Because you want to try to make it as round as possible, but keep your eye to where you want to go. So after you pass the cone, now you're going to look over here to where your center is going to be to make a nice straight center. All right, get lined up with the cones. Look beyond the cones. Very nice. Now ask for your back. 3 steps, please. Oop. You got to make sure she stopped. Whoa. There you go. Now back. Get a bigger step. Come on, ask for a bigger back. There you go. She can do it. Pull back. See, you got to be careful. You're pushing her forward instead of asking her to go back. But there we go. That was the start. And if you're doing figure 8s, you should always do the pattern the opposite direction to practice as well. So you get balanced on both sides. So you're going to take it from the opposite side the next time you do it. If you can speed it up to a trot and eventually a canter with a simple lead change in the center, that's nice too. But the object of the game is just really to try to make as pretty of circles as you can and start looking towards your goal. There you go. Look towards me. There you go. All right, ask for your back step. One more step back, please. Remember, don't kick, just wiggle. There you go. All right, now come. You can also use the same cone setup to do a serpentine. So you use the cone at the end to just do a turn around. So here you would do a full circle. So keep turning, turn. Try to aim for the center in between the 2 cones. There you go. Now start making your turn and you're going to aim for those 2 cones and go between the 2 cones, don't stop. Good. Good. This also works on your turns. It's a really good idea. Ready? Now make your turn to the left. Right leg. Turn. Aim for the center right here. Good job. Look straight, look straight. Now make your turn. There you go. Get around that cone. Very nice. Make a circle around the cone. Keep her nose tipped in. Very good. Now this time when you get in between those 2 cones, I just want you to stop, please. Stop when your feet are even with those cones. So keep her going, keep her going. Get her nose past them. Stop when your feet are in between. Whoa, oh. Keep coming around. Come around, do it again. As soon as her nose gets through them, then you ask her to stop, okay? So keep going. If you know that she's not going to stop immediately, you ask her to stop when her nose gets through them. Come on. Well, that time she listened perfectly. But there, you just have to adjust it so you're going to be able to stop in different positions. But that was really good. Good job. Well, thank you for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.